Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are supposed to indicate if the following expressions are quadratic expressions or not, and do explain. Well, observing the first expression, I saw that the highest power of the variable is 2, and so for the first one, yes, it is a quadratic expression. The reason? Because the highest power of the variables is 2. So by the same understanding, right? I saw that here for the second expression, 8x minus 3, the answer will be no. It is not a quadratic expression. Why? Because the highest power of variables in this case is 1. So it is actually a linear expression. Okay? So that's something for you to take note of. This is actually a linear expression. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.